Today we are going to make gecok. Can you hear me? Okay. So first thing first, we gonna need lime leaf and then lemongrass. We're gonna blend all of this. Okay. Okay. Black sesame and white sesame there. That smell so good. We need coconut oil, a little bit. So next, onion, pepper, red pepper, bell pepper, or any type of peppers. Sliced chicken is the better. Okay, so sliced chicken there. Okay, we're gonna do 1 spoon of green seasoning, and then we're gonna put 1 spoon of black sesame seasoning. Okay, then put your coconut milk. A little coconut milk. And just put that. Cook till they are cooked. And then put the salt. So any type of salt, guys. Kosher salt. And we do a chicken base here, okay? Look at guys, we're gonna mix that. The chicken done already, so we're gonna mix it. Woo, looks so good. So now we're going to mix it. Take a look at that. The black sesame with lime, good combination. It's so good.